Good morning, class. So today we're looking at geometry. We're looking at solution to pages. Huh? 7 and 8. We'll start here. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Right, calculate the value of the angles indicated by small letters. How are you going to calculate A? Alternate angles, okay. You can see the alternate angles here. So A is equal to 148. Why? Alternate angles with PQ being parallel to RS. Any confusion there? No. Let's go to the next one, B. How you calculate B? Again, alternate angles. Z is lying that way now. So B is equal to 104. Why? So alternate angles with AB or BA being parallel to DE or ED. How you calculate C? Alternate angles again. C is equal to 90 degrees. Why? Because of alternate angles with LM being parallel to NP. Right, you guys understand? Go to the next one. D. I'm going to calculate D. Again, alternate angles. It's just showing you all the different ways that Z can be written. Okay. So D is 160. Why? Alternate angles with BD being parallel to NS. I'm going to calculate X. Alternate angles. There's the Z. Not so. So X is equal to 134 degrees. Alternate angles with AE being parallel to C. Right. Next, I have to calculate X. Angles in a straight line. So you're going to get X plus 79 is equal to 180. Straight line. X is equal to 180 minus 79, which is 101. 101. Are you going to calculate Y? Alternate angles. Can you see that? So Y is equal to 101. Alternate angles with AB being parallel to DE. See anybody that's confused? Not yet. Easy, no? G. I calculate A. Are we still on the page 7? 8. We just went to page 8 now. What did you tell me? You scared of me? You're scared? You're too scared to say you're scared. Shouldn't be scared. Right. Now you're going to calculate A. That's the opposite. So A is equal to 145 degrees. Vertically. And you calculate B. Huh? Corresponding is. Or? Alternate. Can you see there is a Z? No? If you had written corresponding, full marks in here. B is equal to 145. So alternate angles with AB being parallel to AC. C. Corresponding angles. Okay. As you can see there, here's the F. So C is 145. Corresponding angles with, so the F is lying like this, with CD being parallel to EF. I calculate D. Corresponding O. Turn it again. Can you see that, people? So D is equal to 145. So alternate angles with AB being parallel to BC. Ready to calculate E. Cavity is or angles in the straight line. So E plus 145 is equal to 180. Reason? Going straight line. So E is going to be 180 minus 145, which is any confusion there, people? Is there any confusion? No? H. I will calculate X. Huh? Alternate angles again. Those of you don't see it, please use it. So what can I say? X plus X is equal to 126 degrees. The reason is alternate angles with EF being parallel to DC. What's X plus X? 2X. Divided by 2 both sides. So X is 60. Which means to say each of those X's are 60. Ready to calculate Y? Vertically opposite to what, Michael? That is vertically opposite. Corresponding. If Y is corresponding with Z. Alternate angles, people. Huh? Don't you see it, Chris? Not O. Z. Alternate. So Y is equal to 63. Why? So alternate angles with EF being parallel to DC. I calculate Z. Z corresponding or vertically opposite. Yes, my girl.
So like what I was with first like corresponding and vertically opposite, and then I calculated Y with corresponding.
This is on there. So you got vertically opposite. Okay, what did you do, Aya?
So and then
You calculated what first?
the X and then
The X. So you got 63. Yes?
and then I said that Z is
Z is vertically opposite.
and then I did
Then correspond. Absolutely. Boom. Anybody else want to share the life story? Go for it, Muriel.
So she was on.
Oh, you copied it. Okay, nice. HI. This is H. You know I? No. J. Right. In the diagram, AB is parallel to CD, EF and ST are transversals, but they are not parallel. What's the value of A? You can solve for A. Angles on a straight line. How do we do that? A plus 8 is equal to 180. Why? Straight line. So A is equal to 180 minus 80, which is 100. I put the 100 in here now. Yeah. You could have just said A is 100 and the reason. Okay, but not everybody is sharp like that. You don't have to. You could have just said A is 100, mark it. Okay. Number 2. Is A equal to B? Is A equal to B? Is it alternate?
No.
Is that alternate? Yes. But is A equal to B? Why not? The lines are not parallel. But are they alternate? Yes. So is A equal to B? A is not equal to B. Reason is that ST is not parallel to here. Okay. Verstaan jy dit? Ja. Alright, let's go to number 3. Calculate the value of B. How are you going to calculate B? Corresponding angles, he says. You all see that F. So B is 135 degrees. Why? Corresponding angles with AB being parallel to C. 135. Is C 135? Is C 135? Is C 135? No. Why not? C is not equal to 135. We could have just said no. Why? Because EF is not parallel to ST. Calculate the value of C. C is 100 degrees. Yes, Michael?
Do we have to specifically write EA is not parallel to ST, or can we just write the lines are not parallel?
Yeah, that's acceptable. Number 5. Calculate the value of C. So C is what? Corresponding angle C. Can you see that F, people? Yes.
Are we supposed to write the reason even if we don't say?
Sorry?
Are we supposed to write the reason?
For which question?
For number 5.
You must write it. Remember, whenever you're using Euclidean geometry, in geometry you must write the reason. Okay. So C is equal to 100 degrees. Why? Because of corresponding angles with AB being parallel to C. Number 6. It says calculate D. Where's D? Vertically opposite. Not so. So D is 135. Why? Vertically opposite. Are you going to calculate E? Also 100. Or we can go with alternate angles or vertically opposite. Did you see that, people? So E is equal to 100 degrees vertically. Just don't forget, if lines are parallel and you're using your fun angles, you must say which are the set of parallel lines. Verstaan julle? Is there any confusion? No. Okay. So that brings us to the end of page. Okay. Full lessons can be found in the description box below.